Hey everyone, welcome to the Crazy Desert Knitting channel. This channel focuses on knitting, crocheting, and other yarn related topics. I am Mel, the Crazy Desert Knitter, coming to you from the sunny city of Phoenix, Arizona. I am so glad everybody is here today. To all of you new viewers, thank you guys so much for joining me today. For all of you returning viewers, welcome back to the Crazy Desert Knitting family. I am ecstatic to have you here. Okay, so today's yarn day is again shorter like normal under my new format. I think it's actually working really well for me. I can get you guys more content a lot faster and shorter bursts. So it's working pretty well, I think. So I wanted to bring you guys some finished objects. Let's go ahead and jump right in. What am I wearing? If you guys have seen any of my previous podcasts and or anything else on this channel, I don't know what it is and I don't know what it's made out of. It was actually a gift. I think it's actually like the Jacob's ladder. You guys can see. You guys can't see that. Let's try this side. I don't even know if this is right side out, to be honest with you. But there it is. I don't know what the pattern is. I don't know what the yarn is. A friend of mine made it. I really liked it. She said it looked good, so she gave it to me. That's okay. I gave her something else in return that I didn't like, so it's all good. Okay, so I have three, count them 1, 2, 3 finished objects to show you guys today. The first is the really easy. This is, actually I like this side better. I don't really know why, but that is being really washed out. Ooh, bright lights. In reality, this color is a lot darker than what it's showing up on camera. You guys are seeing a more like a brightish red. It's more of like a red wine red. This is the Christmas Tree Dishcloth by Breiter. Oh, before I forget, if you guys are looking for names of patterns, designers, and or yarns, check out that description box below. That's where everything is going to be at. I'll also kind of put it somewhere on top of the screen. I will also take a picture of this and plop it in now because, again, what you guys are seeing on screen is, at least what I see that you see, is really bright, and it's not. So this is made out of Paintbox 100% DK yarn. Get that up there for you. Verbally without the glare. Not succeeding without the glare. There we go. And again, at least what I see that you see, it's a brighter red. It's really not. It's red wine. It's color number 416. There's approximately 50 colors. If you guys are interested about my review on this, go ahead and I'll link you guys in the description box below to my previous yarn review and yarn comparison of this yarn here. It is 100% cotton, so that's why it's great for dishcloths. There we go. So again, fun, fast, easy project, but it was sitting in my whips for a while, so I needed to get that finished. All right, so my second completed project is I finished my rocking panda pillow. It's squishy, it's my pillow. And he does have ears, though this one is kind of has a mind of its own, I gotta be honest with you. It's kind of like, I just want to go where I want to go. Squishy, 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 squishy. Okay. So the rocking panda pillow is a pattern by Ira Rott. It is a crochet pattern, not a knit pattern. And I really liked it. Now, I do know my eyes are not both going in the same direction. I know that. However, I didn't realize that when I was sewing them on, but they are different enough that they do look intentional, so that's kind of nice. Really well-written pattern, I thought. The only thing I would do differently in the pattern is I would use a smaller hook size for the black portion of the eyes. I thought those came out really, really large compared to everything else. And possibly even a smaller hook size for the nose also. I love the ears. I would in the future. I counted. I didn't have quite enough space to space them out quite as far as she said to in between. But other than that, whoops. There we go. I thought it was really, really great. So again, this is the Rockin' Panda pillow. There are a couple of variations to this pillow. You can do a star eye and then a regular, like a, what I'm going to call the egg-shaped eye, the oval eye, the teardrop eye. You can do 2 teardrops. You can do 2 stars. So she gives you kind of some options for both. And again, it's the Rockin' Panda pillow by Ira Rott. Now, this pillow matches, I'm going to give you guys the yarns because they're the same yarns. The pillow matches I finally finished this. The Rocking Panda Rug. Hold on, there we go. The Rocking Panda Rug. Now, it's too big to actually put a full, to get it all in the camera range, so I'm going to pop a picture on once I'm done showing you, so give me a second. So this is the Rocking Panda Rug. Oh, I hope I got to the bottom of the bamboo. I can't actually see, so we'll hold it up again. And I really liked it. Now, this is unblocked. I still do need to block this, and I'm probably going to wind up steam blocking it to get it into place. There's a few spots where I would like it to be a little more rounded than what they turned out to be, just due to the fact that it is what it is, and it's a circle, and you were increasing, and yeah, you got sides. So there you go. But again, really easy to follow this pattern. So again, that's the ears. One of my favorite parts is actually down here for the paws that kind of hold on to the bamboo shoot down there. I thought that was really cute. This is for a baby. It's for a tummy time rug for a baby. So the multiple textures and things is really nice. There's nothing here that they could choke on because everything is sewn down super tight. But there's that. So I'm going to pop the picture on now so you guys can see the full thing. So that is the Rockin' Panda pillow. Now the Rockin' Panda pillow, or the Rockin' Panda rug, I'm sorry. The Rockin' Panda rug and the Rockin' Panda pillow are all made out of the same type of yarn. So I picked one type of yarn and that's what I used. The Rockin' Panda rug and pillow are all made out of Paintbox 100% Aran, or simply Aran, which is 100% acrylic. You know what, I'm actually going to use the green. For some reason it shows up better. So again, it's Paintbox. It's Simply Aran by Paintbox Yarns. Sorry, I cannot say that today. What in the world is wrong with me? This green color is color 228. It is lime green. I used white, which is color 200, and I believe they call this paper white, I think. And then also it uses black, which is color 201, and I think it's just basic black or simply black or something like that. What I found really interesting, again, they're same as with the Paintbox 100% DK cotton. There's over 50 colors of that. There's over 50 colors of this as well. So, but what's different about this is on the label for the cotton, underneath the color number, it actually says the name. Underneath the color number for Simply Aran, it does not. I don't know why, but there are names. I don't get it. Just something I don't get, but whatever. So these were the three colors that were used for the rug, as well as for the pillow. I'm actually going to try to sit the pillow. I'm going to have to move Packy the alpaca for a second. We're going to set the pillow up here so it's a little easier for me to hold. It is a circular pillow, so it's going to sit there for a few minutes. But yeah, so these were all used. I used, for the rug, I used approximately 6 skeins. I would recommend probably getting 7, just in case you guys knit a little bit tighter or a little bit looser than I do. Or crochet. I'm sorry, it's crochet. It's not knit, it's crochet, guys. It's crochet. Trust me, it's crochet. Oops. So I would probably get about 7 for, again, just for the rug. For the rug, again, I used, I'd say 4.5 skeins, so I'd probably go with 5 skeins the black. And I used just under 3 skeins of the green. So I have like a little teeny tiny bowl of 3 different skeins left for the green. Now the green is only used for the bamboo shoot down here. Whew. Again, this is a fairly large rug, guys. It's not small by any means. So there we go. So it's only used for the green, and the majority of the yarn is actually used in these popcorn stitches here. The black is used, I'm going to put the yarns down. Whoop, whoop. Nope. Okay. The black is used for the ears, the eyes, the nose, and the paws. And then, as you guys can see, the white is used for the main body as well as the eyes. So there's that. That's for the rug. Now it is 3 skeins held together. She does in her pattern provide you with varying options if you wanted to substitute like a thicker yarn for the 3 skeins if you guys are not great at dealing with 3 skeins of yarn at once. I didn't find too much of a problem with it. But the Panda pillow, so for the base, the front and the back, in her pattern, the back is actually a multicolored yarn, so she'll only give you what you need, the white for the front. I used the front and the back. I wanted that to be the same. So I would say about 2 skeins of white for the whole pillow. A little bit less than 2 skeins, actually, even with the eyes. But for the whole pillow, front and back. And in her directions, again, the back is a variegated colored yarn. It's not white. And then I would say probably a skein for the eyes, the nose, and the ears. Now, the ears on this pillow are made with 3 strands held together again. So I would split up your yarn once you do your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, and your eyes and your nose. Split your yarn into 3 balls and then do the ears. Would be my my suggestion to you if you choose to do that. This is a paid for pattern by Ira Rott. However, it also comes in a book, and I actually purchased the book. It's an Amazon book. You can either get the ebook or you could get the online version. I found the online version to be a little bit cheaper, and they were running a sale at the time. So I got it for basically the same price as it cost me to get one pattern. I got a whole book's full of patterns, and they are the Crocheted Animal Rugs by Ira Rott. I highly recommend it. There are several patterns in there that I will be using again for baby stuff in the future. I just really like her patterns. I find as a person who doesn't think she's that great of a crocheter, that's me, I find that they are definitely easy to follow as well as her directions. They are written and they are charted both. She gives you options. She gives you ways to mix and match. She gives you very detailed instructions on what to do as long as you guys can follow directions. So there's that. So I highly recommend her paid for patterns. I did the Joyce and Justin's The Whales rug. You guys were seeing that about a year ago now, actually, 6 to 8 months ago. And it was again an Ira Rott pattern. I really enjoyed that one as well. So that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this yarn day for my finished projects. And I hopefully will see you again soon. And until next time, everyone, just keep knitting. Talk to you later. Bye.